In under 30 seconds, please introduce yourself and tell us what you do.
So myself, Jayakumar. I'm working as a UX design lead in Maruti Suzuki India Limited. So my team is responsible for the digital touch points of your vehicle in car, whereas your infotainment, speedometer and connected apps. And I'm part of like a digital cockpit experience team. And I've been in automotive industry for last 13 years. I've been in multiple roles. I started my career in market research and then product planning. I worked some portion of body design, and then last 6 years I've been a part of UX team, and I'm one of the founding members of this team who started and built this team from the scratch. And right now I'm leading this complete UX related UI and UX both in Maruti Suzuki.
That's really good. I mean,
so I had these kind of sessions a lot with our customers and users who are using our product.
Oh, that's great. Like, I am also personally very much interested in the user psychology space and UI space a lot. So that's great to know. 1 year from now, aspirationally, career-wise, what do you really want to be doing?
See, fortunately, in my career, thanks to my companies, whomsoever work, and thanks to my leaders, I got a really good opportunity to work in different domains. So currently, UX is also a domain which I am not academically educated, but through the learning I got it. So my role requires to deal with a lot of stakeholders. Basically, a product manager is also a stakeholder. I felt there is a gap, like whenever I'm proposing something, okay, there is a kind of the stakeholder engagement is required. So I wanted to upskill those things, and also I need to understand the opposite side of a story. As a product manager, what are all the constraints that product manager is having?
Okay.
So right now I'm in a phase of UX design. Okay, so my expectation is also to go and work on the products. Okay, awesome. And I think this will be a good base for me to deliver myself as a good product leader, or to help my company or any other firm which I'm going to work to build the better products for user what it is required, not the company or a product manager what it is required. It's to build a customer centric product. I hope this will help for me to get into that.
Yeah. Awesome. Executives choose our program for multiple reasons. What are your top 2 reasons to choose the executive MBA in product leadership? Is it the one-on-one mentoring that we offer, or the career assistance that you get, or the learning by doing pedagogy, or is it the practitioners as faculty? Yeah,
so for me, there are 2 things which I personally felt I should be part of this IPL. Is about the mentors and career coaches who are coming, or industry practitioners. And industry practitioners is not just like 5 years or 6 years. They have been over here for more than decade, 15 years, 20 years. So that experience will have a lot of insights for me to grow as a personal brand actually. So that is the first reason I wanted to choose. And second is the community and the cohort where I'm part of it, and the network what I'm going to get from here. It's going to be for me a lifetime. Not only this 35, whomsoever the past or going to future. And I think this is something I'm looking forward, like even in case in future if I got struck, I can reach out to any of them and then seek for the help. Either it can be in my product or a career, whatever it is.
I think that's a really good point. Thank you so much for your time.